October 7th, 2020 Daily Math Review. Number 1. 3 subway lines arrive at a station at the same time. Line A arrives at the station every 12 minutes. Line B arrives at every 8 minutes. And line C arrives every 3 minutes. How long must you wait until all three lines arrive at the station at the same time again? So the same time again. All 3 of them at the same time again. So what we're going to do, we're going to do our least common multiple. So first of all, we have line A, which arrives every 12 minutes. All right, so I'm going to make that a certain color. Line B arrives every 8 minutes. I'll put that pink. And line C arrives every 3 minutes. Let's do an orange. All right, so how long must you wait until all 3 lines arrive at the station at the same time again? So we're going to have line A, which is every 12 minutes. Line B arrives every 8 minutes. And line C arrives every 3 minutes. So I'm going to kind of put in there. Whoop, there we go. 12, okay. So what we're going to do, we know how to do this. We're going to find our multiples, our least common multiple. So our multiples of 12, we have 12. Then our second multiple is 24. Then 36. And then 48. 60. 72. And so on and so on and so on. Multiples of 8, we have 8. 16. 24. 32, 40, 48, and so on and so on and so on. How about 3? We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and so on. So now, what are we going to have here? We are going to see, what is our least or the first of the common multiples? So we know that common multiples are the multiples that they share, that they have in common. So the least, what do they all share? Do they all share a 12? Line A and line 12, or line A and line 3 share 12, but not C, not line B. So they all need to share, all 3 of them. So let's see. How about a 24? Do they share 24? 24? 24 is actually going to be our answer. So this this 24 is the first number that all 3 of the lines have in common. So that is the first time. So in 24 minutes, they will all come back and be at the station at the same time again. So that is it for our daily math review.